Once upon a time, God created earth, people, nations, and began to pass around mountains, lakes, river plains, and fertile lands. He handed everything to all, but only the Kyrgyz have not received because they were late. They were grazing cattle. The Creator understood that he intentionally overlooked this respectable and nomadic nation. The Creator looked in the sack where he kept nature sites, and there were just the rest of mountains, several beautiful forests, several cool rivers and lakes. Save the best for the last. God shook out the remains from his sack in the heart of Asia. And the most beautiful place in this world is Skyland, Kyrgyzstan.